Jacob's voice is gonna be on here. It's like, hey girl, over there.
Jacob said that's just mean. Okay, well, yeah. Shut up, Sheila, God!
Hold on a minute.
Hey, hold on. Hey, Jasmine wants to talk to you. Jasmine wants to talk to you. Okay, here.
Hello? 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 Huh? Wait, you can't hear. Okay, hello, say it. That's Jacob, he's the girl. Okay. Here's just all she wants to talk to you. Don't keep it ringing.
Okay, sorry. Well, like, Sheila, she's getting me really mad right now.
Awesome.
Yeah, well, she's all putting on Justin Bieber, even though she hates Justin Bieber. So,
That's so weird.
I know.
It's Jacob. He sounds like a girl.
My gosh. Well, yeah, well, I'm really bored right now, so, yeah. I'm in my kitchen right now.
Tell him to say hi.
Well, yeah. Well, hey, here's my little brother. Here. Like, he can't talk, but just say hi.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Hi.
Okay. He's like,
boy. He's like a girl,
he's
huh?
like,
Okay, bye guys. This is my channel.
huh? No, my little brother.